Hi Jadin, how are you? I hope you're all well, and I'm very happy that you have emailed me finally, and you are on the right track. So hopefully your aim should be just to complete CAT this term. That's the minimum task that you should be getting rid of just to begin with. If you are capable of doing more tasks on Mathspace, that would be appreciated, and that would just add to my doing good comments for you. That's all. But otherwise, please don't be stressed. All right. And just try to aim finishing cat, which is due on Sunday. All right. This will save you just for a while. Now, let me show you the email which I have got from your side. And it says that you're struggling with question number 18, finding the mean for this data set on your screen as well. Now, what I've done, I have gone to your Mathspace account, and I've got access to question number 18 as you can see here on my screen. Now I'm going to try this question in front of you. So here's the question. Okay, and that's just my family outside, my daughter and son playing. So if you can hear any noises in the background, that's just my family. Now, you can see the question here. It says you need to find the mean for this data set, and you need to round your answer to one decimal place. Very important. I'll repeat myself. You need to round your answer to one decimal place. Now, before I start talking about the solution for this question, it's very important for me to tell you Mathspace is a mathematics software, okay? So it's sort of written with made with very much precision and perfection, okay? Now, if you do not answer a particular question which is not mathematically correct up to the end, it will just ask you to repeat the steps again and again until it reaches the final correct answer for your question, okay? That's why in your case, it just asks you to enter again, because the answer which you have shown here, 3.46, is not the final answer for your question. That is the reason why it's not allowing you to submit, or it doesn't allow you to move on to the next question, because mathematically you haven't rounded your answer to one decimal place. So your answer is half written only according to the software. If in the paper cat, you stop at 3.46, the teacher can only give you half marks allocated for that question. But if you had written 3.5 instead, then you will get the full marks from the teacher. Second thing, then you will be able to submit your answer and then move on to the next one, on to Mathspace software. Because in that case, 3.5 will be the answer written by you, which has been rounded to one decimal place and which is the correct one. Now let me take you back to the Mathspace screen here. You can see the question in front of you on my screen. Now, first column is just the data values. Scores, X means the data values. Frequency, how many times each data value is repeating itself. XF means product of scores and frequency. It has certain meaning. Now, if you are calculating mean for this question, you just need to divide by summation of third column and summation of the frequency column. I have done that in detail in so many videos when the students kept on asking me so many questions from this task, okay, from the last tasks as well. Now, I'll show you here with the help of my calculator. Calculator, there you go. All right, so I'll just use this calculator in front of you and solve this question. So 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus, let me see, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. I'm just trying to save some time, that's all. 38. So if you add up the frequency column, the answer is 38. Let me keep that in my mind. And if you then 38, okay? And I just need to add this now. 6 plus 38. Just trying to recall. 45 plus 42 plus 49 plus 48 is equal to. I just need to divide these two numbers. So 218 divided by 38, was it? So 5.73. I need to round my decimal number to one decimal place. I'll do it now. Now the answer should be 5.7. Let me enter my answer here, 5.7, and submit in front of you. That's correct answer, and I can move on to next question or close my preview because I was just trying a question from your task. All right. All right, Jadin, one more thing I need to stress on here is since this is your CAT or your assessment, I should not be helping you too much with your questions because this is the task which I aim to test you on. Okay, so if you have got any troubles, you can attempt any other tasks on Mathsp. For example, you can attempt. Let me show you quickly. You can attempt. I'll show you all the tasks if I can quickly. Then these are your tasks. You can ask me questions from outliers or mean, mode, median, or week 1 to 3 concepts, or analyzing data. These four only, not the fifth one, because the fifth one is your CAT, your assessment. All right. So on this note, I hope I'm able to help you. And if you have more questions, just email me. Okay. I'll wait for your email. Have a good night. Bye.